In this episode, a homeowner tackles a small brick veneer crack by learning basic tuckpointing to restore strength and curb appeal. The guide starts with inspecting damage, gathering a clean chisel, mortar mix, and a pointing trowel, and labeling joints for precision. Careful removal of damaged mortar reveals clean edges, then a damp brush helps minimize dust while the new mortar anchors seams. Once the mortar is pressed into joints, a finishing stroke smooths lines, and a mist of water cures without cracking. Finally, the host shares tips on weatherproofing and when to call a pro if masonry shows deep separation.